Good evening. I am D. Gopi, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Bichkunda, Kamaredi district. So, yesterday we are discussing processing costing theory. So, introduction and normal loss, abnormal gain. So, already discussed. Today we are discussing process costing problems. సో ఈరోజు ఏం చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాం మనం ప్రాసెసింగ్ కాస్టింగ్లో ఉన్న ప్రశ్న అకౌంటింగ్ పార్ట్ చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాం. సో క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ exempted product, a patent materials used building in the material manufacturing of which three process are involved. The materials is produced in the three consecutive grades, namely soft, medium and hard. Figures relating to production for the first 6 months of 1968 are as follows. Process 1, 2, 3. So here actually 1 but wrongly entered. So next process 1, process 2, process 3. Raw materials used. So raw materials used 1000 tons. So here process 2 and process 3rd are nil. Cost per ton. So cost per ton rupee 200 per ton value. Expenses 72,500 process 1, process 2 40,800, process 3 10,710. Weight lost 5%, 10%, process 3 20%. Scrap under bracket sold at rupee 50 per ton. So here 50 tons, process 1, process 2 30 tons, process 3 51 tons. 2/3 of process 1 and 1 of process 2 are passed to the next process and the balance are sent to the warehouse for sale. You are required to prepare an account for each process. So here calculate each process account. So process 1 calculate cost per unit, process 2 also cost per unit, process 3 cost per unit we are calculate. So process 1 introduced units introduced 1000 tons. So we are preparing process account to 1. So columns DR debit side, CR credit side. particulars. Next here tons and rupees. Particulars, right side particulars, tons, rupees. So debit side all expenses and units introduced entered in debit side. So here materials used tons 1000 to tons introduced, tons introduced 1000 tons to material. Materials cost per ton 50 rupees. The rate of 50 rupees multiplied tons introduced 1000. So 200. 200. So cost per unit ton 200. 200 into 1000. So 2 lakhs rupees materials. Next manufacturing wages and expenses. So this is expenses. Manufacturing manufacturing wages and expenses. Expenses total rupees 72,500. Next weight lost. So weight lost 5%. This is normal loss. So entered in right side by normal loss normal loss. So how many tons lost? 5%. 5% on tons introduced. So here tons introduced 1000 tons. So 5%. Two zeros, two zeros. 10 into 5, 50 tons. Here no money, nil. Next scrap sold at rupee 50 per ton by scrap sold. So how many tons? 50 tons. So calculate on tons introduced 1000 tons multiplied no. So 50 tons rate of 50 rupees. So 2500 rupees. Scrap value. Scrap sold. So remaining debit side 2 lakh plus 72,500. 2 lakh 72,500 total amount. 2 lakh 72,500 total. Total tons are 1000. So here process 2 by third. So how many tons remaining? Total 1000 minus 100. So 900 tons by output transfer to process 2. So 2 by third. So 1000 units minus normal loss 50 tons and scrap tons are 50 tons. So reduce to tons introduced. So 900 tons available. So 900 tons into 2 by third. So 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 600 tons transfer to process 2. So remaining by remaining tons. So how many tons remaining? 700. So 50, 60 plus 600, 700. Remaining 300 tons. So here calculate cost per unit. Cost per unit. So total principal so calculate cost per unit. Total process expenditure. Total process expenditure minus normal loss units and scrap value divided by units introduced units introduced minus normal units. So here total process expenditure. So debit side total process expenditure 2,72,500. 2,72,500 minus normal loss here no. So scrap value 2,500. So reduce the scrap value 2,500 by units introduced. So units introduced are 1,000 tons minus normal loss. So normal loss, so 50 normal loss and scrap value tons 50 tons. So total 100 tons loss. So 2,70,000, 2,72,500 minus 2,500. So 2,70,000 divided by 900. So cost per unit 300. CPU cost per unit 300. So 600 rate of 300 cost per unit. 1,80,000. So 1,80,000. Here 2,72,500 minus 2,500 minus 1,80,000. So remaining 300 units. So amount 90,000. So 90,000. 1,000 units. 2,72,500. So materials 72. Materials sent to warehouse 300 units. So we are calculated process 1 account. So next to process 2 account, we are the prepare process 2 account. So here by output transferred to process 2. So how many tons transferred? 600 tons. So amount is 1,80,000. So enter debit side in process 2 account. So process 2 account process account 2. Particular debit side tons rupees. Particular tons rupees. Credit side, debit side. 2 tons introduced 600 transfer to 600 process 2. So 1,80,000. The next process 2 account manufacturing wages and expenses to manufacturing wages and expenses. Wages and expenses. So process 2 account 40,800. 40,800. So next one, weight lost 10% by normal loss. Normal loss 10%. So calculate on tons introduced here 600 tons, the rate of 10%, 0 0 cancel, so 0. So 60 tons weight lost, so amount is nil. By scrap sold, so scrap sold 30 tons, so 30 tons at the rate of 50 rupees. So 30 tons 50, so 1,500 rupees. Next so close the account. So debit side is amount is much more, 1,80,000 plus 40,800. So 2,20,800. 2,20,800. Total tons are 600. So here 600 minus 60, 30, 90. So how many tons are available? 5, 10. So by output transfer to output transfer to process 3 account. So 5, 10 tons. So here 1 by 1 of 1 by 2. So transfer to process 3. Next process. So 1 by 2. So 5, 10 of 255 tons. So 255 tons. So here calculate cost per unit. So total cost, total process expenditure 2,20,800 minus scrap value 1,500. Next units. So total tons introduced 600 minus normal loss and scrap sold tons are 90. So 2,20,800 minus 1,500. So 2,19,300 by 510. So CPU cost per unit 430 rupees per unit. Cost per unit 430. 255 at the rate of 430 rupees. So 1,09,650. Next, so remaining tons are 60, 30, 90, 90 plus 255. So remaining 255 by materials sent to warehouse 255 1,09,650. So total 600 tons 2,20,800. Next to process 3 transfer to process third account. Process third account we are prepared. Process account 3. Particulars tons rupees. So next right side particulars tons rupees. Dear CR debit side credit side. So units introduced. So unit introduced 255. 255. So amount is 1,09,650. So process third, manufacturing wages and expenses 10,710. So expenses debit side enter. Manufacturing wages and expenses 10,710. 10,710. So next, total 255 tons, total amount 1 lakh 20,360 by normal loss. So normal loss 20 percentage on introduced tons by normal loss 20 percentage. So units introduced 255 into 20 by 100. So 51 tons normal loss amount nil. Next, by scrap value, scrap sold, so per unit 50 and 51 tons at the rate of 50 rupees. So 2,550 rupees. 2,550. Next, so remaining 50 tons. Tons are 51. So by, so close the process third account. So remaining 255 minus 102. So 153 units. So amount 1 lakh 17,810 by manufacturing stock 255 1 lakh 20,360. So your cost per unit calculated. CPU CPU cost per unit, total cost 1 lakh 20,360 minus, so scrap sold 2,550 divided by introduced units 255 255. So normal loss units 51, scrap sold tons 51, total 102. So 1 lakh 17,810 by 153 units. So CPU cost per unit 770 rupees. So 770 rupees. Process third account. So process one account, process one account CPU 300 rupees. Process two account CPU 430 per unit. Process third CPU 770 per unit. So 300 to 430. Third 770 cost per ton. So we are discussed the process one account, process two account, process